Oral ulceration, causes, types, and management. Welcome to Herbie Life. Today, we are diving into a common but often misunderstood issue, oral ulceration, also known as mouth ulcers. These painful sores occur when the lining of your mouth breaks down, leading to discomfort that can make eating and drinking difficult. Understanding the causes and types of oral ulcers is key to effective management. Types of oral ulceration. Traumatic oral ulceration. These ulcers typically result from accidental bites, burns from hot food, or irritation from sharp teeth or dentures. They usually present as a single, painful sore. Management includes using antiseptic mouthwashes like chlorhexidine and pain relief sprays like benzidamine to soothe the area. Recurrent aphthous stomatitis, RAS. RAS is characterized by painful ulcers that recur at different sites in the mouth. It can be categorized into minor, major, and herpetiform types. Treatments include topical steroids and antiseptic mouthwashes to manage the symptoms and reduce recurrence. Geographic tongue. This condition causes irregular, painful patches on the tongue, particularly when eating spicy or hot foods. A dispersible zinc sulfate mouthwash can help alleviate the discomfort associated with this condition. Squamous cell carcinoma. This is a serious condition where a persistent, single ulcer may indicate oral cancer. It's crucial to seek immediate medical attention if an ulcer lasts more than 3 weeks, especially if it's painless at first. Primary herpetic gingivostomatitis. Often seen in children, this viral infection caused by HSV-1 leads to painful blisters and sores in the mouth. Management includes supportive care, such as using a chlorhexidine mouthwash and providing adequate pain relief with analgesics. In severe cases, antiviral medication like acyclovir may be needed. Lichen planus. This immune-mediated condition results in white patches or sores inside the mouth. While generally benign, it's important to monitor and manage symptoms with topical treatments and consult a healthcare provider for persistent cases. In addition to over-the-counter products, you can also try these simple home remedies to ease the discomfort of oral ulcers. Salt water rings. Dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and use it as a mouthwash several times a day. This helps reduce inflammation and promotes healing. Honey. Applying honey directly to the ulcer can help speed up healing thanks to its natural antibacterial properties. Coconut oil. Swishing coconut oil in your mouth for a few minutes daily can reduce pain and prevent infection due to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Aloe vera gel. Apply pure aloe vera gel directly to the ulcer to soothe the pain and accelerate the healing process. Consider using products available on Amazon India to help manage oral ulcers. I've added links to the products in the video description, so be sure to check them out. Oral ulcers can be painful, but with the right care, home remedies, and products, they can be effectively managed. Remember, if an ulcer persists for more than 3 weeks or you have any concerns, it's important to seek professional advice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to Herbie Life, and hit that notification bell for more health and wellness content.